ku bakunzi ba Umoja Wetu TV and Radio ndetse na Gakenke TV, n'umwanya mwiza tugize ngo tubagezeho inkuru aho twasuye akarere ka Rutabagiza. Turi kumwe n'uwaje kugasura maître bizimana, aho agize ngo aze kwibwira abantu batamuzi nubwo twe tumuvuze, ariko araza kwibwira abantu, ababwira amazina yiwe ndetse wenda n'akazi yo bakora. Ariko kandi tutaragira ico tuvuga, tuguha ikaze mu kiganiro cacu.
Murakoze cyane.
Woduheza amazina yawe ndetse n'umurimo ukora uwo ari wo muri minembwe.
Uko wari ubivuze, nitwa maître Bizimana Jean d'Amour. Muri minembwe ndi umwarimu usanzwe nigisha abana ba secondaire ndetse n'abandi bato bato gutyo no kuri university.
Turi hano mu Rudabagiza, aho mwasuye aka karere, mwasanze byifashe gute?
Akarere twakagezemo nk'ibisanzwe nk'uko tugiye dusura n'utundi turere, ahantu harangiritse. Urabona n'ibintu mfite mu maboko bigaragaza ikimenyetso cy'intambara. Ni akarere kabereyemo intambara, abaturage batangiye gutahuka, ariko amazu yarangiritse, andi yarahiye, n'ahari agihagaze barayangirije, bakura imyango, babomora, bagira bate. Mbese ni akarere kasenywe cyane.
Kasenywe. Hari abavuga kuko katigeze gasenywa, nkuko mubyumva ku mamedia menshi harimo ba Kongoro, bakavuga kuko aka karere katigeze gasenyuka, ariko mwakigereyeho nk'imvukire za minembwe. Gute mubibona?
Hari ibintu umuntu avuga nyine bitewe n'icyo ashaka kugeraho, ariko twe tuhari akarere karagara ko kasenyutse, biragaragara n'amafoto n'amashusho abantu bagenda babona byerekana ko akarere kasenyutse, imihana yatwiswe, imisozi yangijwe. Mu kanya turaza kugenda tubereka imyobo bagiye baca ku misozi nuko byagiye bikogwa, nuko amazu yahiye n'andi barayasenya nubwo agihagaze. Akarere karangiritse, abantu bameze nabi urebye muri rusange.
Urebye nyine abantu, n'umuhana wari warafashwe kuva mbere, ufatwa n'umwanzi. Abo tuvuze ni FARDC, ni Abarundi, ni FDLR, ni Abazarendo. Abo nibo bari barafashe uyu muhana. Tubivuze, hari ibintu byinshi byoba byarangiritse, kuko wamaze kuhagera mu byangiritse n'inkibinyabaki.
Umuhana nyawusuye ya wose, twazengurutse hirya no hino, ibintu byose mbere ku isi, ubutaka bwonyine bwarangiritse, bangirije imisozi bayicamwo imyobo. Amazu y'abaturage yarangiritse, hari ayo batwitse, hari ayo bakunduye, hari imyango bakuyeho, hari amadirisha bakuyeho, hari imirima y'abaturage barayiriye nk'uko abaturage bahunze hano nta muntu urasarura, ndetse n'ibyo kurya bimwe byari bitarera, ariko byose byariwe n'abo bagizi ba nabi, niko nyobita. Barasenye, barangiza mu buryo bushoboka. Mbese ibintu byose by'abaturage byarangiritse. Urebye n'abaturage muganiriye ubabajije, ko barakubwira ngo bishimiye gutaha, gusa uko bababaza ibyo kurya bakakubwira ngo nuko nta byo kurya, ngo ariko tunejejwe nuko turi iwacu, ariko nta kintu na kimwe bafite, ibintu byose byarangirijwe.
Urebye ni nk'iki gikenewe cyo kugwa muri no mihana yagiye yangirika kuko wayisuye.
Icokogwa mu rwego rwa minembwe nta kihari, ariko abafite ico bakora ni abantu bari kure, wenda bafite amafaranga, bafite uburyo bokoresha kugira ngo aba bantu batabagwe, bahabwe izo kujya. Abadafite amazu bubakirwa amazu, kuko hari abantu bahunze barangiza guhunga, ugasanga n'abapfakazi bapfushije abagabo babo muri izi ntambara, badafite uburyo na bumwe bashobora kwiyubakira, badafite ubushobozi bwo kwiyubakira no kubona akantu na kamwe. Rero abantu bari kure bafite ubushobozi barashobora gusura minembwe, kandi saha honyine n'ahandi hose muri minembwe habaye ibintu bibi cyane. Abantu bagomba gufashwa bagatabagwa mu buryo bumwe cyangwa ubundi.
Murakoze cyane.
murakoze.
Niki wobwira abadukurikirana nk'abanyamurenge ndetse n'abandi bose badukurikirana ku isi hose, cyane cyane nk'abanyamurenge
mu rwego rw'abantu bari mu minembwe? Nimba no kwigira nk'umuntu ugiye kuvugira abanyaminembwe, tubwira abantu bari hanze, tubwira abanyaminembwe bari kure, abanyamurenge bari kure, abantu bo muri ho plateau bari kure. Icyo umuntu yasaba nuko cyambere minembwe ikeneye abantu, minembwe hakenewe abantu. Abari kure bashoboye bafite uburyo nibaze batahe twubaka iwacu. Icya kabiri, abadafite uburyo bwo kuza bafite uburyo bwo mu mufuka cyangwa se mu mufuko bafite ifaranga. Icyo umuntu yababwira ni ukwita ku karere, bagafasha bari mu karere. Aba bantu bihanganiye aya masasu na drone za buri munsi, bakaba bakiriho nubwo ababo bapfuye nubwo abacu bapfuye, ariko bakaba bakiri muri minembwe. Mwe muri kure nimukoranye uburyo gira aba bantu batabagwe, aba bantu bafashwe, aba bantu bubakirwe, aba bantu bahingishirizwe, aba bantu bigishirizwa abana babo, aba bantu bubakirwa amasomo, aba bantu bahabwa ibitaro. Ico nico kintu gikenewe, ico nico kintu twabwira abanyaminembwe cyangwa se abanyamurenge bari.
Murakoze cyane.
Murakoze. Thanks many you all followers of Umoja Wetu TV, Kakenge TV, and others who are following us from where you are. Here we are at Kakenge Rutabagiza, the place where there were many FARDC, Burundian soldiers, Mai-Mais, Wazalendo, and many different other soldiers who were in the part or the side of FARDC. Now here we are and we visited this area. You saw something that I have. This was the barrage where there were wars in Kakenge. There were many wars. Many things have been destroyed, like houses, fields of population, houses have been burnt, and there is many stretches that you are seeing in this mountain where they stretched many things on the mountains. There was wars. Population at Kakenge have been suffered much due to these wars. Population do not have food, they don't have clothes, they have even have the medicine. They very suffered. Now we can beg and ask all Banyamulenge, the people from Minembwe, wherever you are, we wanna beg you, if possible, from the ability that you have, we need your support in Minembwe. Many things have been destroyed with the FARDC, with Mai-Mais, with the Wazalendo, with the Burundian soldiers, especially here at Kakenge where we are in a Rudabagiza village. You saw that there have been many things that happen here cause of wars. Many things have been destroyed. There are the house where we've been burnt, others have been destroyed. They took the door, the windows from houses, and many things have been destroyed. Now we can ask and beg you, wherever you are, to come and to help the population in Minembwe. They lack the clothes, they lack the houses, they lack everything. Please, Banyamulenge, wherever you are, we are begging your support. We need your support. Population in Minembwe, they need you, they beg you, they ask you to help them in such or such other ways, because they are now struggling due to these wars, due to the struggles that they passed, due to these wars that happen in Minembwe. Now we beg you, we ask you to help them to come in comfort. Whether in special, what I can ask and what I can say is that Minembwe needs the population. You are young, wherever you are, whether in USA, Europe, wherever you are in the world, we need you to come back in Minembwe. Minembwe needs many people. We are suffered from these wars due to that we have few people. Now we need you to come back in Minembwe. Come, and not if you cannot come, please, you can send your money, you can invest in Minembwe. There are many things to do. Perhaps we don't have the roads, we don't have the medicine, like hospitals. We don't have many things. Please invest in Minembwe. Build the schools, build the hospital, build the roads. We need that Minembwe can be changed, and Minembwe can be changed only by your effort, by your support. We need you, and the population in Minembwe needs you. Please, we beg and we thank you. You've been with Mr. Bizimana Gendarme. I thank you from where you are.
Thanks.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, you see here we are at Rutabagiza. These are the stretches made by and my mice. These were their position where they used to stay. You can see someone should remain in this stretch. This is the main stretch. This is just a house for a soldier. Another house. Here you can see the other side. This is the church. They were closer. The village. It was in the village. This is the church where they exit the strange beside the village. People were very attracted with this mice, with the Burundian soldiers, with the fathers, and other militias from different areas. Now you can see, men, these were their houses. They left even their Dutch clothes here in the stretch. You can see the stretch. There are many benches, even in the back. There are other many ways. It seems they've been remaining here. You can see the other side, that is Gakenge Rutabagiza, where a person should close over there, they could shoot at her. Because it is very closer. They could shoot with the main guns. When you are at Kakenge, they shoot at you. They make this trench so that they can prevent people to enter or to attend their village. You can see this is the trench. It went closing and broad the village. This is the village. You can see. This is even closer the house of the population. This is the house. This is the trench. You can see these were the shoes for fathers. It means that they went without shoes. They fled without shoes from Twigwaneho fires. They fell against them and they were being cast out. And these were their clothes, and these they are even the shoes. You can see this stretch. There were many and very long stretches. I'm passing in them, showing you what they did. You can see how you can see the house of population, the other side. People now are back. The my population now are coming back in their houses. You can see they do have some cones that they sell outside. This is a church. You can see that the stretch of soldiers are in the door of the houses of population. You can see this is a house, this is a stretch. You see how they eat the village exactly. This is just the house of population. This is the stretch. They should remain here and guard the community. Their own things just in the village of Rudabagiza. We will continue to show you many things, how they destroyed the house. There was a house here, they destroyed it, and many other houses in the village. Also you see there are many bushes, but it's in the village there are many houses which were burned and destroyed like this. We need you to help them and do whatever you we thank you, you who are following us. You can see just here we are in the village of Rutabagiza. You see how the doors have been destroyed and people are closed their houses with the badge. This badge is just for closing this door. It means that this one have been destroyed by Burundian soldiers who destroyed this house. You can see here in the village many houses have been destroyed, and they did much many old things where they destroyed the things in the village. Things are very bad, very bad. There are different houses you can see in this side. There were a house here which have been burnt with Burundian soldiers. This one have been burnt. There were a house here of the population. It have been destroyed by Burundian, FARDC and Mai Wazalendo. They destroyed the village completely. You can see it's about 6 months without the people in this village. The reason why you have seen there's many herbs, many things have been going. What very worse. Things have been destroyed in the village. You can see the bushes. It's many months that the village without population. There were no population in this village due to the attacks of FARDC and their militias. They destroyed many things here inside. Now you can see this is the grinding machine. We have a grinding machine here. It has been built in the house, but this house have been burnt with Burundian soldiers. Militian, Mai, Wazalendo, there were a house here. This is the grinding machine, you can see it. But the house have been destroyed by Burundian soldiers and other militian like Wazalendo and other militian from different areas. The village have been destroyed completely. You can see many things which have been destroyed. You can see many things have been destroyed in this village. Up there you can see many houses which have been burnt. They burnt many houses in this village. They burnt many houses which have been burnt. Took the doors, they took the windows, they took everything and burnt many other houses. Here around you can see another house here which have been burnt. In this side there is a house which have been burnt. There were a house here of a population. This one have been burnt. You can see the rest of stoves which have been remains there. There were stoves for the population, but have been burnt. Everything burned in it. And the other side, that house also they took the doors have been taken. All the both doors have been taken from that small houses in this heat. You can see that the doors have been taken. There's no even we can reach it, so that we can show you correctly how they destroyed everything in this house. You can see they were just a door here, but they took it. The door at this side have been taken. They destroyed everything. We are still showing you what happened in Rudabagiza village. You can see how they destroyed the house. This was a house of a population, but have been burnt with the FARDC and the Burundian soldiers. You can see at the other side there were a house there, another house where there. If they can turn where the camera, you can see the other side where they burnt another house have been burnt with those Burundian soldiers and Mai and Wazalendo.
They've been destroyed everything in this village, where they destroyed even the fields of population, where many things have been burnt. You can see wherever, and at the other houses you can see the other side. There were a door there, but the door have been piled and taken by the Fadisi. They took even the doors of the house. You can see how they destroyed everything. If you can see down there, the house have been destroyed. Up there, you can see other houses which have been destroyed. They destroyed everything. Everything in this village have been destroyed. The houses have been burnt. Many houses in this village have been burnt. You can see at that heat where they shoot. You see, those are the guns they shoot, the barrels, which have been reached that heat, and it have been shot. Now you can see at the other side, many houses have been destroyed. At the other side, there were another house, another heat, which have been destroyed with those Mai-Mais, with the Watalendo, with the Burundian soldiers. They destroyed many things in this village. Down there, they were the fields of the population, but the fields have been eaten, have been taken, everything have been eaten by those soldiers, those destroyer men, as we can call them, the destroyers. Everything in the village have been destroyed and demolished with the Mai-Mai, Burundian soldiers, Wazalendo, and the other different militias who were here. Many things have been destroyed. We are still in Rutabagiza. We thank you so much. May God bless you.